welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis, and during the month of December I'm going to be posting to this channel 4 times a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my delicious roasted chestnut and ginger hot chocolate. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious roasted chestnut and ginger hot chocolate. So over the festive season we tend to indulge in a lot of different hot chocolates. I love to make mine from scratch, and this one I thought of last year when I started seeing chestnuts in the supermarkets. I decided to try a chestnut and ginger hot chocolate and the results were delicious. We all really enjoyed it. I'm going to be making one for myself today, and of course while I was making it I thought I'd share what I was doing with you. So here is how to make my delicious roasted chestnut and ginger hot chocolate. To start, I'm going to blend all of my ingredients together. So I'm going to pour myself a cup of oat milk. So I've just got 1 cup of oat milk and I'm going to put that into my blender like so. And then to the oat milk I'm going to add about a tablespoon of raw cacao powder. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon of raw cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder if you want to as well. In the original recipe this serves 2, so if you want to make this for 2, obviously you need to double up on all the ingredients. Maybe not the ginger though, because you don't want it that spicy. And then in the original recipe I said 1 teaspoon of ginger, so I'm just going to use about ½ teaspoon of ginger. I like spice, but I don't like it that spicy. And then I'm also going to add some coconut sugar to this. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of coconut sugar as well. You can use brown sugar if you want to. The reason I like to use coconut sugar is because it slides through the liver slightly easier. And then I'm also going to add a big tablespoon of chestnut puree that I made this week. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend all of these ingredients together. If I turn it on, that is. I've blended the ingredients until they are smooth, like so. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the hot chocolate into a saucepan and I'm going to heat it through until it's hot, obviously, hence the name. And then I shall be enjoying this with a nice sit down on the sofa. So I'm just going to heat the hot chocolate through now. So the hot chocolate is boiling now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this. I'm going to turn the hob off first before I do that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into a cup. I'm hoping that yep, there we go. What tends to happen with the chestnuts is when they heat up they tend to get slightly thicker, so it makes the hot chocolate really thick and smooth and creamy. So it's absolutely delicious and I'm really looking forward to trying this now. That's how you make my delicious roasted chestnut and ginger hot chocolate, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. I have just tried a little bit, but it's still a little bit too hot at the moment, so I'm going to leave it to cool and then I will be enjoying it later, but it smells so good. I can't wait to drink this. So for now that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.